Okay, so something a little bit different today. We have a 4.4 litre BMW X5. Okay, here we go. BMW 4.4. Oh yeah, I quite like that. That's quite a nice sound. Let's see what it's like to be inside and experience the noise. So here we go. We're with Mr. Joe Green. Hello, Mr. Joe Green.
Hello.
This is the BMW X5. Let's have a listen as we're driving down the road. Go, Joe, go. I'm trying to hold it steady, but you know, I don't have a gimbal yet, so this is not as easy as you might think. It's got
I
plenty
know
of
I am
power.
using the indicators and it's a BMW. That's a bit weird, but you get used to it.
Were they an optional extra?
I think they probably were. It's got all
That's
all
not
the extra
standard.
features.
That can't be standard. Here we go. Here we go. Well, what can I say? You just
Such a big vehicle. That's pretty fun.
That's pretty impressive. I just wish I had a gimbal because that would be so much better with a gimbal. But it could be worse. And that is a lot of fun. Look, indicator usage.
Yeah, I
See
know.
that?
Sorry, it's bad habit.
Oh.
It's bad habit.
This does say BMW. That is a BMW.
It is, yeah, it's odd.
Bloody.
It's because I own Hondas as well, I think.
Oh. Who knew? Who knew?
Follow a learner now.
Well,
That's what this car was meant for.
For being stuck behind learners. So there you go, the first modern car on Brassic Classics. It's not technically a classic, but it will be one day. 4.4 litre X5.
V8.
V8. V8. Okay, so what's it like to live with? What's the boot like? What's it like in the back? What's it like to the gallon? I'm going to guess not good. Anyway, let's have a look. Introduced Mr. Green, the
Hi,
owner
guys.
of this fine vehicle. Joe, what's it like to live with?
You know, it does its thing.
So
it's fun to drive.
It's fun to drive.
It's got a massive boot, so you can get all your music equipment in it.
Can you get in there, Joe? Can you?
I could, but we're not gonna put that on YouTube. So yeah, so that's pretty practical. It's
So
quite
that's
good
like
that
a
you can
Range
open it
Rover
half
drop.
as well.
That's like a Range Rover drop,
Yeah,
isn't it? That's pretty. So you can sit on here. Just. Do you want to just lounge on that, Joe? Just casual lounge. Boom.
I'll sit. There's none
You
of that
sat.
kind of paint me like one of your.
That's
French
not a Titanic moment. That's cool. So what's it like for rear space?
Rear space is good.
Let's have a look. By the way, I haven't got my gimbal yet, and I have got a really bad cold, so going well.
Ignore the bottle of coolant. That's normal.
Normal BMW spec.
Yeah, it comes
Which
with
the
it.
indicators
I
are
think
not,
it comes with it.
which we've seen.
Yeah,
leg
so
room,
there's loads of
lovely
leg room. Oodles, leather seats, very comfy. It all folds down nice and flat as well.
So it's basically a van then.
It's massive when you fold that down.
Okay, Joe, let's get to the real question. That
Panoramic sunroof.
Panoramic.
Let's just do the positives before we get any further.
Has it got pentagraph wipers?
Who?
Pentagraph wipers.
Yeah, no doubt.
Boom. Okay, right. So now let's get to the real stuff. Let's do a shot. We're both looking in here, Joe.
Let's.
So, Joe.
Yo, Neil.
Hi, how's it going?
Very good.
Let's do this. It's ridiculous. All right, the real question people want to know. It's a 4.4. I'm just going to run down to the badge. Run down to the badge. It's a 4.4. Joe,
Yes, mate.
what's it do to the gallon?
It does 15 to the gallon.
Is that if you're driving like Miss Daisy?
If you're driving like Miss Daisy, which I tend to do.
'Cause
For obvious
you live
reasons.
a certain amount away from a petrol station.
Yeah.
And you're worried you might
It's
not
quite
make
important.
it.
I might. Yeah, absolutely.
You're on the top of a hill. You can coast, surely.
Yeah, you can roll most of the way.
That's good to know because it's
The
probably quite
RAC
heavy.
aren't a fan of towing them, so
Because it's an automatic.
don't do that. So
So
four-wheel drive automatic.
boom. So it does 15 on normal driving. What about if you're,
I mean, if you put your foot down in it all the time,
adventurous, shall we say, with the throttle?
yeah, I suspect that you would get about 6 to 8 to the gallon. You know.
6.
Yeah.
6 to.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, thanks for showing us the car.
Pleasure.
Is this car for sale, Joe?
It is indeed for sale.
Is it for sale?
Yeah, I can't afford 15 to the gallon, so
You definitely can't afford 6.
yeah.
I'm so tempted, and yet I have lots of cars to finish restoring, and this would destroy that dream.
It would take all the profit out of the others as well.
Anyway, I would indeed. I'll put a link in the description to your information.
Yeah, sure.
So
Yeah.
if anyone's interested, it's a beautiful car. How many miles has it got, Joe?
It's got 132,000.
130. Someone had a lot of money.
Yeah.
'Cause that's a lot of fuel.
Yeah. I haven't even done the maths on how much fuel that
Let's
is.
do a little walk around for condition. It's pretty good. Let's get run over. That's a good looking car. I'm not going to knock it. That is a good looking car. Anyway, Mr. Green, thank you very much for your time.
Absolute
It's been a
pleasure. Brassic Classics.
Classic classics. Rock on. Good. I hope you enjoyed the video on the BMW X5. Thank you to Joe Green for letting me do that. Just a quick update on the Fiat 500. I've been down to the shop blasters and it's done. It's been undercoated. It's completely rust free. There are a few holes. I'm hoping to get that back on Wednesday. It's now Monday. And then I'll be doing an update video on the progress, so you can see what I've got to do next. Anyway, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in a video very soon. Goodbye.